It has everything you need right on your keychain. In fact, the Wonder Cube includes a charger, memory card, smartphone stand, and provides emergency power when you need it. It has a built-in flashlight. Each module folds out when in use and neatly folds back in place for storage. Again, since it comes with a key ring, it can remain right on your set of key, so it is always within reach and ready. Where is that smell coming from? Bathroom, letterbox, belly jam back. Never mind, take this Fenty Fresh Odor Eliminator. It is simple to use, all it takes is the press of button. It works by drying in air and using UV photocatalyst technology to zip away odor molecules. Turn on quiet mode to let it work. Is there a chance you will die from the smell? Turn on the turbo mode. No problem. No need to replace filters. Just mount the device on a gel-based bed. Plug in into power source. Is that a brand new case of your AirPods? No. With this C Magic electric nail clipper, you will cut and file your nails, preventing hangnails, ingrown toenails, and scraping of the skin. The bending nail right next to the blades, allow doing all the jobs accurately even in the dark. All that needs is just two single button. The blades is not problem. There is a storage box that is easy to clean. The battery enough worth 30 times to use and after that just charge it. Are you a professional music maker or just a young padawan? No matter the level, you can experience the joy of creating your own music with one intuitive and standalone mobile instrument. The Do Touch is a mix between traditional instrument and launchpad with an integrated looper sequencer. It also allow you to build your own song with different track with different computer. Thanks to its small size and weight powered by the 8-hour battery, you can compose wherever and whenever you want. Based on the Dululo principle, the Do Touch double keyboard gather notes that sound good together, arrange the text to each other. It's easy to play and learn. Can't handle stress on your own? With Apollo wearable, you will feel much more at ease. What you need to do is download the app, pick the needed mode depending on the goal, and let the voice go through your body. It works the same way that breathing does, but through vibration on your skin. Need to calm down. Apollo will do that for you. Can't fall asleep? Wear this tactical lullaby. Are you frustrated by poor sound quality? X Pro mic might save the day. Simply attach it to your clothes, connect to your mobile device via Bluetooth, and start vlogging or interviewing. The mic will catch your voice within 50-foot range. 8 hours of running time should be more than enough for that. Just like any other modern mic, it boosts active noise cancellation. Need to make a Zoom call? The mic is compatible with laptops too. Real-time auto synchronization of the video and audio is an additional feature. We need some light in this kingdom of darkness. Bring the torch, lich or torch. To be exact, despite its super compact size, the device comes with everything you need to shoot photos and videos anytime and anywhere. Color accurate LED light with three levels of brightness exclude any wide colored shift on the shoot. Need let's say a red color and a particular filter gel. As for the mounting option, the light includes two standard camera mounts and a magnet to clip this thing to any magnetic surface. Thanks to its rugged design, Lichar Touch is dust and waterproof up to 60 feet. With impressive battery life, the light works on for 4 hours. On a battery life of your AirPods make you cry. You can use this UXO anti-loss straps for all series of AirPods while charging. It won't make your earbuds wired, but it will prolong your listening time up to 18 hours, which is huge advantage for those who are hanging on a phone alert while working. Yet the device is not for running only. So-called knuckle exclude accidental drops while doing sports. It's extremely durable, so you can crush and tear the strap as much as you like, and they will still serve you for a long. This smart compass by Link you can find people up to 3 miles away, even when all the other ordinary methods are powerless. Just push the button and follow the arrow on the screen. The compass contact up to 12 people and has a simple interface. Even a child will be able to use it. Since all the talks are encrypted, all the info stay private. Plus, rubberized waterproof housing makes it possible to use the device in any condition with up to 3 days of running time on one charge. You can feel more confident when losing kids in the crowd or not so good boys high up in the mountain. The Trigger Grill's grill is designed with double sidewall insulation. It maintains steady heat levels for consistent results. Moreover, the device boosts the super smoke mode to ramp up wood-fired flavor with the push of button. It also includes turbo temperature to improve startup time. Finally, the D2 controller with a digital display makes setting the grill temperature as easy as switching on an oven. You say you are not a cooker, just download the app and pick the needed recipe. The grill will do the rest. Your money and cards should be in the safest place possible, and the card shell vault will be on guard for all your stuff. It is big enough to store up 8 cards. You can divide into two sections. The first one provides easy access to two cards you need the most. The other billion card you can put in the bulk section. All your personal belongings will be safer due to magnetic trapdoors and take care of securely, enclosing your belongings. Don't know how to improve your productivity when working on your laptop? Put this case X docking station right on your device. That is it. With a built-in heat dissipation system, SD and micro SD readers, nothing will distract you from working on your text masterpiece. And 6 port allow you to connect several devices at the time and get high transfer speed along with up to 4 terabytes of always ready storage. Finally, the case is thick and lightweight, so it won't make the laptop bulky at all. Wired earphones and earbuds may cause problems when working out, especially outdoors. With this lightweight nose gear wearable Bluetooth speaker, you can focus on your running or any other activity. Just use either the built-in clip or a magnet. And now just pair the device with your phone via Bluetooth. Now, well, aside from listening to music, which is obvious, you can listen to podcasts and audiobooks and even make calls. Noise cancellation will reduce all unnecessary sound to. This one is a must-have weapon crafted with a ergonomic rectangular shape. This quill stylish is comfortable to hold as you select colors from the natural world and create on your tablet. Don't forget to turn on the palm projection mode that provides flawless drawing experience. The quill app will also provide you the ton of other cool things. You will get closer to color sense and other dimension of your driving, and even transfer real object to your canvas. And when the battery gets low, change it via the dock with Alexa enabled speaker card. These are the scents that will bring you peace and tranquility, and you don't have to be eaten by the syndrome for that. A tempered glass top adds several points to your safety. This is stable called Sanskrit with a steel ball that moves on the plate with sand and creates those beautiful patterns. Are you not satisfied with the final result? Move the ball using the knob on the device or shake the plate to the level sand. Or just download the picture you like the most in the app and customize. LED light will turn the final result into pieces of sand art, so keep calm and watching the ball moving. This sofa stud cup holder is suitable for cans and water bottles or any other drinks. Just wedge the pedal between your sofa cushions until the base of the cup holder rests firmly on the surface. It is a nice holder for your remote too. Your drink, your sofa, and your race are safe now.